Amazon just dropped a surprise that's got the entire smart home community buzzing. The brand new Echo Dot Max, priced at just $99. It's not just another smart speaker, it's Amazon's most powerful and versatile Echo yet, combining next-level audio performance with full smart home hub capabilities. Let's dive into why this tiny device might be the smartest $99 gadget you can buy in 2025. The Echo Dot Max is Amazon's answer to the growing competition from Google and Apple. While the regular Echo Dot was already one of the best-selling smart speakers ever, the Max version takes things up several notches. From the outside, it still looks compact and sleek with a soft mesh finish, but inside, it's packing serious upgrades. Amazon has boosted the speaker's size and added dual tweeters and a new sub-bass driver that gives this thing a soundstage far bigger than you'd expect. Whether you're listening to Spotify, watching movies, or controlling your home devices, the Echo Dot Max sounds incredibly rich and balanced. Music now has more depth, vocals are clearer, and bass feels punchier, all while maintaining the clarity that makes it perfect for podcasts and calls. But it's not just about sound. The Max introduces built-in Zigbee, Matter, and Thread support, making it a true all-in-one smart home hub. That means you can control your smart lights, cameras, and thermostats directly without needing any extra bridges or hubs. Just say, "Alexa, set the living room lights to movie mode," and it instantly syncs with every compatible device. And yes, it supports the latest AI-driven Alexa, powered by Amazon's Titan LLM, which means conversations are now more natural and context-aware. The new Alexa can remember your previous requests, suggest automation routines, and even handle follow-up questions without you repeating the wake word every time. For example, if you ask, "Alexa, how's the weather this weekend?" you can immediately follow with, "Book a picnic spot nearby," and it'll know exactly what you mean. Amazon is clearly positioning the Echo Dot Max not just as a speaker, but as an entry point into a smarter lifestyle. Another huge upgrade is the adaptive audio tuning system. The speaker now uses room-sensing microphones to adjust its sound output based on where it's placed, so whether it's in a small bedroom or a large kitchen, it automatically optimizes audio for the space. The results are genuinely impressive for something this compact. And for privacy-conscious users, Amazon has added new transparency options and an improved mic off button with a hardware disconnect, ensuring your voice isn't being listened to when you don't want it to be. Visually, it's available in sleek charcoal black, cloud white, and a brand new ocean blue finish that fits perfectly into modern homes. What's really smart is how Amazon integrated the Echo Dot Max into its ecosystem. It syncs effortlessly with Fire TVs, Ring doorbells, Echo Show devices, and even third-party smart plugs. You can literally walk into your house, say, "Alexa, I'm home," and the system will turn on your lights, start your favorite playlist, and read out your schedule. For $99, that's an incredible value proposition. And here's the kicker. It even doubles as a Wi-Fi extender for your Eero network, ensuring stronger internet coverage throughout your home. So it's not just smart, it's practical. The Echo Dot Max represents Amazon's biggest step yet toward creating an affordable smart home ecosystem that actually works together seamlessly. Whether you're new to smart devices or already have an Alexa setup, this might be the one upgrade worth making in 2025. It's compact, powerful, stylish, and smarter than ever before. The future of smart homes is getting cheaper, faster, and more connected, and Amazon's $99 Echo Dot Max might just be leading the way.